Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create new site in Civil 3D. We must need to create perfect sites for precise drawings designs in Civil 3D. So we can create a new site in Prospector, which you will find the process easier if you define the needed site at the beginning of your project, as we discussed in the previous video. Those sites can be right away, or better yet have them defined as a part of your Civil 3D template. You can always add or delete site later in the project if needed. You can access the site collection in the prospector along the other Civil 3D object in your drawing. So in this exercise we will lead you through creating a new site that you can use for creating subdivision lots. You can open the drawing, which you can download from the description of this video. Now just note down after opening this drawing that the drawing contains alignments and the boundary of a future parcels. For creating sites, just go to the Prospector tab and go to the site. Right click on the sites collection and select new to open the site properties dialog box. On the information tab here, site property dialog box, write the name of your site, which is now subdivision lots. And then here for the 3D geometry, confirm your all settings, something like my screen. As you create parcel, Civil 3D will automatically number them for you. So on the numbering tab also you can confirm these settings should be start from the 1. The values in the numbering tab here are the starting points. Okay, note that there is a site display mode properties that you can use either to have the parcel data drawn as at the elevation, or to have all the data drawn at the elevation specified in the site elevation. So just confirm both values in the numbering tab also, and then click OK. Now expand the site collection on the Prospector tab here, the tool space, and note that your subdivision lots sites appear on the list. So you can repeat this process for all the sites you anticipating needing over the course of the project. So you can create many sites, as we discussed in the previous video, that how much sites you must need to create before starting your parcel creation projects. So please note that you also have the option of creating a new site when a parcel creation command is issued with the parcel layout tools toolbar, or when parcel are created from the object. So you can take benefit from that. Hope you like this video. For this type of technical videos related to Civil 3D, please stay with us.